What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're making turtle tracks. Keep watching as I show you how I made this awesome custom drink holder. This DIY would be the perfect gift for any adult turtle fan. You're only going to need a few things. All the items will be listed in the description box below. Hang on to your shells, we're about to get started.
I've been waiting for this, yeah. It's been up on my mind. Oh, it's hard to resist. Feeling like one of a kind. Oh, now the hard time's over. And for a moment, I won't look back now. Yeah. Been staring again, gazing at the night sky. And even though it's the same, it feels like I got new eyes. Oh, now the hard time's over. And for a moment, I won't look back now. Yeah, and it's moving closer. I can feel it coming. Oh no. It's like it's another game that I'm playing. I sought to reach the sky, even though it took a while. I know that I can rest now. 'Cause it's finally, yeah, finally, yeah, yeah. Oh, 'cause it's finally, yeah, finally. Been staring again, gazing at the night sky. And even though it's the same,
Now that we're finished, it's time to load it up. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me make this drink holder. I thought it was a cool custom and something you might want to try. If you guys are interested in seeing more custom DIYs, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to knock out that notification bell. YouTube will let you know when I make my next video. Drop me a comment below and let me know what you thought about this video. I'm heading out, guys, but I'll catch you on the next one.
I've been staring again, gazing at the night sky.